Hello, welcome to Tuteetute. Today we're going to start speed maths course. See, nowadays if you want to crack any exam, three things matters. First thing, you are knowing the concept. Second thing, accuracy. Third thing, speed. In speed maths, we're going to discuss Vedic maths also, like Vedic tricks also. Not complete Vedic tricks. What and all tricks required for us, those techniques we'll discuss. This course will be important for school students as well as competitive aspirants. 24, if you divide with 8, what you're going to get? 3. If you add 3 zeros, you will get 3000 will be the answer for this. So here anyhow 2 9s are there. So what you can do? From units place you have to reduce 1, 9. So here you will get 8. Each and every digit you have to subtract from 9. So if you subtract 9 from 9, you will get 0. If you subtract 9 from 8 from 9, you will get 1. This will be the answer. 69 table we don't know, but we can very easily multiply 69 into 7. If I split this as 70 minus 1, so 7 into 70, 490, minus 7 ones are 7, 490 minus 7, so 483 will be the answer. If you want to tell these all are prime number or not, just you can check only with the 3 table and you can tell the answer. So 11 is divisible by 3? No. So this is a prime number. Okay, 13 is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule 3 is sum of digits. 1 plus 3, it will be 4. So it is not divisible by 3, prime number. Not divisible by 3, prime number. Not divisible by 3, prime number. Student will mug up and they used to forget very often. So no need of mug up. Just till 50, just check with divisibility rule 3. After like 50 to 100, just check with divisibility rule 3 and 7. That's it. So if you check here now, digital sum of LHS is not equal to digital sum of RHS. See, whenever you will get answer digital sum as negative, then what you have to do is you have to add plus 9 to this. Okay, whenever you will get digital sum negative, you have to add plus 9 to that. Then what you will get? Minus 4 plus 9, you will get 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So we can use the digital sum for subtractions also, but one thing we have to care, when you will subtract, digital sum getting negative means you have to add plus 9. Okay, again this 255 will comes to here, 5 you have to write, 25 you have to add here, so we will get 87. This will be the answer for 25 power 5. 36 2s are 72, 720 plus 36. If you see now, 36 2s are means 20s, 0 is there, right? See, 36 ones are, so directly you can write 21. See, 756 divided by 36 means if you divide, you will get 21 as answer. This much easily you can divide.